Hey Stampers, Diane Dimich here with ddStamps.com, and today I'm here to introduce you to my August Create With Me Club kit. So what I do each month is I produce a kit. You get to make 4 different cards, 2 of each. I provide you all the card kits, the cardstock cut, scored. Any extra die cuts I use, I provide those too. You get a half a pack of designer series paper, a spool of ribbon, and an embellishment each month. And so this month we are using the Lily of the Valley bundle. Let me show that to you. So that's this one here. And these are some great, this is a great set. I had a lot of fun making this, these projects up. So what happens is, like I said, I send you the half a pack of designer series paper. Let me show you that because it's beautiful. And you have a lot left over. So you'll have enough left over to make more cards. But you definitely will make 8 cards with 4 different cards, 2 of each. It's a beautiful paper pack. And then, like I said, a spool of ribbon will come with your kit. And then an embellishment. And I don't have that with me right now because I thought I had them and I did not. So some of the other things you're going to need for this particular kit is if you're going to do it like I am, garden green ink pad, a granny apple green ink pad, a black ink pad. I used Highland Heather blends, Darling Duckling blends, granny apple green blends, and then I also used a color lifter, so we'll be talking about that. And I teach you some different techniques during the class. So what you get is you get PDFs and a video of me making each project and walking you through the tips that you need to know. So these are the cards that we're making this month. It's turned out really cute. Plus matching envelopes. I send you envelopes too, but I've got to show you the insides because I stamped all my insides of my cards. So yeah, you'll learn some techniques. Here's this envelope. I love that little Lily of the Valley stamp. I don't know, it's just kind of got me. And then the different greens that I used. Let's see what I did on the inside of this one. Oh, use a little bit of designer series paper. And then there's this one. And again, I used a little bit of designer series paper. So those are the projects for this month. I'll put links in the description below and give a little bit more information. I send out an email. If you sign up, then by the 1st of the month, I try to send out a supply list that you'll need to complete the projects like I have. And I actually, if you do decide to place an order on that supply list, we can do that and I can give you free shipping. So you can just check off what you want and then I'll send you a PayPal invoice and I give you free shipping and tax rate on that. So anyway, I hope you join me. It's kind of fun. I do have 3 different options. I do a subscription price, which is $45. I do a once a month, like only want this month, so that's $49. And then you can also do just the tutorials, the video and the PDFs. That's $25. The kits go out the 3rd or 4th week in August, so closer to like August 25th. I haven't looked at calendar. But I tried to get them out by the 25th. And anyway, I hope you join me. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. You can email me, you can call me. If you haven't done so already, you might want to sign up for my newsletter. So take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.